Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 24th, 2022. We're going to talk about Algorand today and try to see if this is a crypto to watch now. We want to see if the price in Algorand is going to finally move up because, I mean, look at it. Look at the chart. The market has been going down in Algorand. Everyone's been pumping this particular cryptocurrency and the market has been going the opposite direction. So can we finally see price move higher in Algorand? This is where we want to be on the lookout for in this market for Algorand. So welcome everyone to my channel. I'm going to show you all where I think the market in Algorand is headed next so that we can be in position and capitalize from it. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and join my community, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to my channel. Also, I would recommend that you tap that bell notification because I definitely want to make sure that each and every one of you know about my videos whenever I upload them, because I want you all to be one of the first ones to know where price it's going to go. All right, so you guys can see that I did a video in Algorand on June the 4th, right? So 20 days ago. If you haven't seen that video, you guys can go back after you finish this one to see what was going on into the market at that time, because you can see from the price bars what really happened. I was predicting, yes, I was forecasting that the price in Algorand was still going to go down. I mean, I had this price prediction on the chart ever since May 28th. Came through on June the 4th. Did an update and was telling you all then, hey, the market hasn't changed. We're still seeing weakness. We're still looking for price to dip in Algorand. And here we are today. Now, one thing I can tell you from then, June the 4th to now, that we didn't have at that particular moment is we noticed how the buyers came through the market in Algorand right here at this horizontal line, which I've created, right? We were expecting the market to try to find some support there around 30 cents. So it's not a coincidence that we see a lot of these trading days happen around our support area. That is very good to see. Very good to see, because it tells that there's a switch. There's a transition going on from us going down in the price in Algorand to one to where we may actually see a slight move higher. Okay, like this is powerful for us to read these price bars. That is exactly what is going on right now. So rather than us trying to continue to look for price to go down in Algorand, we need to start paying attention to see how high can we see the market go up in order for us to get ahead of the move. So check this out. What I'm going to do, I am going to get rid of this last price prediction in Algorand. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of it. Hopefully you're all able to get some of that profitability out the market right here. Around 30 cents, because that was around 17.6%. That was one of my price targets for us to look for the market in Algorand to run down towards. Now I have my ultimate area of TP around 25, but look at these days here. From June the 13th, we got the 14th, the 15th, even on the 18th, the market came close to that area to 27.5. So around 2 pennies, we was off, just 2 pennies. That is why I want to give you vicinity as to where I think the market is headed. Now, let's go ahead and get rid of this. Because now, since we got these days right here happened, right? And the market confirmed to us then that they're willing to buy Algorand at that 30-cent level. Cool, we got it. As long as that's the case, we are going to anticipate the market in Algorand going up in price, okay? So let me bring down this horizontal line just a little bit further, because this is where the market in Algorand determined it wanted to bounce. And check this out. It's not like we are new to these particular price levels. We've been here before already in Algorand. The market determined on all of these trading days, look at this, a very firm foundation of support around 27.5 cents. That is how we knew back in the beginning of June that we need to hold on and look for the market to bounce around that level, because we've been here before. So we now understand, just like it did here, right? We can play some strength into the market in Algorand. See that? So the restriction area back in that particular time in 2020 was right there around 40 cents. That is where the biggest area of restriction currently lies for the market move higher. Okay, so let me extend out this line because it's going to be very important for us to pay attention to the market in Algorand. Now, you guys can see I just extended this downtrend line. So this is where the sellers are controlling price. So whenever Algorand moves up in price, we would definitely have to see this market break outside of this downtrend line for us to be really bullish. Okay, so that is going to be an issue for the buyers. Look at the market in Algorand on the 2-day time frame. Let me zoom in on this chart. You guys can see over the last couple of 2 days, yes, we've seen price go up. Cool. But it's been a very slow, methodical moving higher. Like the market is not in any hurry, any urgency to try to push up. Okay. That lets us know that there's still some selling mixed into this particular market. And also, let me show you all this. This is going to be a problem for Algorand. See that? We need to see the market break 35 cents, 35.5 cents. It was holding support back in the ending of May. Now that level is acting as restriction. Okay. That's why the market currently is trending a little bit lower from 35 cents, 36 cents. Okay. So now, outside of this area right here that this horizontal line is drawn on the chart, the next likely area will be around 40, then 43.5. See, I'm showing you levels that we might want to be prepared to nibble and take some profitability out the market. Okay, outside of this 36 cent price, the next one would be around 40, and then 43.5. So let's look at how high the market really is in Algorand. Now check this out. Okay, when I look at this on a 5-day chart, this is weakness, right? This is weakness. This 5-day price bar also resembles weakness. Okay, so the idea would be if those two 5-day price bars are weakness, then the continuation needs to be down, right? We have 12 hours and 53 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar, but look at it. The market is going up instead. In the next 12 hours and 53 minutes, if the market in Algorand looks the way that it looks on this current 5-day price bar, then my first price target is going to be 40 cents automatically. Okay. Look at this on the weekly. So we're definitely paying attention to the market in Algorand right now. So let me hit this on the hourly chart because I want to see how strong the market really is. Now we may see the price initially go down because, like I said, I identified this 36 cent level as a sell point. Just like this time here, Algorand got rejected and came back down. We're coming back here and testing this level again. If the market dips back down, cool. As long as we don't see the market break below 31 cents to 30, we will still be anticipating the higher move in Algorand. Okay. So now let me go ahead and drop this on the chart and let you all get your time back because this is not a hard game. We're going to go ahead and anticipate the price in Algorand going up. That first price target for me is going to be I would say around like 37.5 to 38 cents. Okay, that's 9, almost 10%. 40 would be my second price target, 40 cents, which gives 15.19. And the third price target is going to be around 43.5, 44 cents. Give us 25% move higher in Algorand, which is very doable. As we continue to anticipate this move higher in Algorand, we want to see the market break outside of this downtrend because then we can be a little bit bullish in the long term. But first, we got to see the market break that though. Okay, so go ahead and let me know what is your thoughts, what is your perceptions as to where you think price is headed without the confusion. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.